Hey everybody, Mrs. Guarino here. I'm so excited because today we're gonna do a science experiment together and we are gonna learn how to make our own bubbles. So basically the science behind a bubble is molecules and volume, because soap is basically just air wrapped in, or a bubble is basically just air wrapped in soap film. So the inside and the outside surfaces of a bubble consist of soap molecules. So therefore, however big the volume of the bubble is consists of how many soap molecules are in the bubble, or in and outside the bubble. So what you need is you need a bottle. You can take the top off and have a parent or an older sibling or whoever's home with you cut the bottom off. And you need dish soap, some water, and a rag. So you have to have the same equal part of water as you have with soap. So I'm going to measure out how much water I have. I just grabbed a measuring cup with nothing on it, so I'm not sure exactly how much this is. Maybe like quarter cup or so. So we're going to put the water into the little Tupperware, which I have right here. Oh, and you also need a dish rag. I can't remember if I said that. So I'm actually going to put a little bit more water in here than that. Okay. And then we're going to put the dish soap in. I would suggest doing this outside because inside it might get a little messy, or it could help clean your house. Either or, whichever you prefer and your parents prefer. So you're going to mix the soap and the water. So I'm going to put a little extra soap in here because I put a little more water. Alright, do that, mix it all up. Alright, so that's fine if it just sits. Next, you also need a rubber band. You're going to take your dish rag and you're going to put it over the bottle. Maybe try to find a smaller dish rag just so you. And then you're going to take the rubber band, place it over the dish rag. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to dip the dish rag into the soap and water. You're going to take it out, and you're going to blow. Alright. Let's try again. Why is this not working? Okay. It's okay. That's why it's an experiment, right? Alright, so I'm gonna try to make it with a little. Oops, some bubbles just came out. So I'm gonna try to make it so it's not as thick. Alright, let's try it like this. So I'm just going to put one layer instead of two. So it's still pretty wet, so I'm gonna try to keep it like that. Alright. My hands are pretty soapy. Let's try this again. Okay, there we go. Got some bubbles, and look at all the different sizes we have. There's so much different volume and molecules in here. Like this one has so many more molecules than all these little tiny ones, and there's so much more volume. So clearly the best way to do it is if there's only one layer of towel here, because when you get a couple, I think it gets a little bit too thick, so you're not able to blow. But how cool is that, right? So exciting. So exciting. Something that is fun and easy, and you probably have all these ingredients in your home to do it for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and there's so many more cool experiments like this out there, and you really just have to look, and you probably have all the ingredients that you need right inside your house. So have a good day. Bye.